Hello, you crazy dancers around the world. This time it's not about salsa, it's not about bachata, it's about, in premiere, it's about Kizomba. But don't worry, we won't teach you, not me, not Elena, but our beloved friends and our Kizomba instructors in our dance company, Armand and Lavinia. This will be their first video, so be patient, have patience with them. They are a little bit camera shy, like I was in the beginning, but they are really cool and will give you a lot of information just like we did. Here comes the first tutorial.
Hello Kizomberos and Urban Kizomberos, we are Armand and Lavinia and welcome to our first Kizomba tutorial.
We are going to start with our posture, okay? My beautiful partner is going to show it from multiple positions. So the first thing that we're going to start with is our feet. Our heels should stay together, yeah? My partner is going to show it. Heels together every time. Next, our toes should be a bit open, yeah? Not too much, just a little bit, yeah? Our knees should always be in a natural click, relaxed. If we want to move them, they should be always responsive, okay? Then our hips that we love so much to move, again, they should be relaxed. We should not tighten them. The chest is the most important part where we get the most information, should be up, up. And then our shoulders should be always in the back, like when you breathe, you know, chest is going up and then you release the air from your lungs and keep your chest up and your shoulders go down. So this is the basic Kizomba posture. Now we are going to show the posture but in couple. Again, we are going to start with our feet. As we said earlier, our toes are a bit open. So this will make place for our feet to have each of them their line. Yeah? So when we are going to step, I'm not going to step on my feet's partner and he's not going to step on my feet either. Okay? Next, our knees again are relaxed. And when it comes to my position, in connection with the guy, I'm a bit on my left, his right, okay? And the best way to do this is to hug. So, hug each other, and that's the best position, okay? The connection is going to be made at our chests and our abs, but the superior side, not the lower one, okay? Then, our hands, my hand is going to be placed on his shoulder blade. I should always support my elbow. I should never leave the weight of my arm on his arm, okay?
My right arm is on her lower back, I'm not squeeze her, it's relaxed here, okay? So, her right arm, my left arm.
My arm is going to be placed around his thumb finger.
Vroom, vroom.
Some people prefer to have it like this, other like this. It's your own personal choice every time. And for the guy, he is going to wrap his fingers around my wrist or again around my hand if he's having this other position.
This hand is also relaxed.
Yeah, it's not stiff, okay? My elbow here again is relaxed. I'm not trying to make it stiff, okay? And with head connection, it's always the girl's choice. Because sometimes when she's in the mood and she likes the song and the partner, she will feel like going a bit connection at the temple. We are going to show it in a different angle here. But it's always her choice. The boy should never go for the head. Oh, it hurts. These are the basic details about the posture. Of course, there are many more, but first try to focus on this And if you have other questions, write them in the comments and we will happily answer to them.
And let it flow. And let it flow. And let it flow. And let it flow.
This was our first Kizomba video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to know more about this, please like, subscribe, and share our video. Thank you very much.
Be sure to follow us on social media.
This out.